The leads are ridiculous. I mean, as you know, like I had to have you pull it back. I don't even know where we're at now. It's well over 100, and it's not even been. I think it's been right at a week or something.
All right. We'll start off with just tell me who you are, what's your company's called, what do you do?
I am Derek Altier. I'm from Irmo, South Carolina. I own Heavenly Shine Auto and Marine Detailing. I do detailing restoration for boats and auto.
Gotcha. And then so before you joined Detail Wizard, where were you at kind of revenue wise, just in the business? Maybe like emotionally, how'd you feel about the business before you joined?
Oh boy. It's a loaded question, but I guess the best way to answer that is all over the place. Um, Really, it's a lot of different pieces of different things that you're putting together. I was always, the business owner that just wasn't apt or good at certain pieces, and so I just wouldn't put it together. I just have a missing link, and I feel like with your program, you've made it very simple um, to kind of trim the fat and just, in the simplest format, the simplest resources, get what you need and put it in place, if that makes sense.
Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of by design too, is like because we could sell you a bunch 10 different funnels and do all this like fancy stuff, but really it's like and we run an ad, we follow up with them, we've got a big follow-up automation that we run, and then you close them on the back end. Like it's a very A, B, C type process
Right,
because it's really
right.
all
And
you.
every other resource or avenue that I've went to look for help, they take you down a rabbit hole with just, that piece, that puzzle piece, like I was saying. Whereas, and that's, the biggest thing that I feel about you and what you represent is, you're actually trying to help, and you're not in the business of taking money off of people or time from people that you're not helping.
Yeah, no, I appreciate that, man. So I guess
Absolutely.
that was beforehand. I guess you just joined. I mean, it hasn't even been a month yet. Um, so what's been your experience working with us so far?
Um, like I said, it's overwhelming when you're just kind of flying by the seat of your pants, and there's a lot of areas that are just being neglected that are important, but you don't really, I guess, have the tools or the know-how to um, really put much energy or attention there. And I don't know, you've created simplicity in almost every area, and it's allowed me to feel more confident about the overall picture and, I guess, future of being the business owner of Heavenly Shine.
Gotcha. And then in terms of like how many leads you're getting, how many sales you got since joining.
Dude, the leads are ridiculous. I mean, as you know, like I had to have you pull it back. I mean, yeah, I was busy working too, but I couldn't call all those people. I don't even know where we're at now. It's well over 100, and it's not even been. I think it's been right at a week or something. It's ridiculous. Clearly,
Yeah.
um, yeah. I mean, that I'll brag on you to anybody about that because I've been doing this 6 years now, and I've used quite a few companies. Like even the big companies, I've spent 10 times what you charge, and I think I got 13 leads when I paid like close to 5 grand one time to a company. I think I got 13 leads,
Wow.
and like I'm getting 13 a day, like probably, within 10 hours, like, with you, it's ridiculous. Like whatever you're doing is working. I don't really want to question it because I don't understand it, but just keep going, bud.
Yeah. Well, we'll keep going. We'll keep going. Yeah, that's awesome, dude. So this is the last question. So what would be your advice to someone who's kind of on the fence for joining? Well, maybe, they're where you're at before you joined, and they're just, I don't know, maybe something's hanging them up. What would you say to them?
I would say that if you enjoy, getting the runaround, wasting money, basically everything that I've dealt with, and I've searched for help. I mean, I've spent a lot of money. But if you enjoy that crap, like throwing your money away, I mean, we work hard as detailers. Then don't use your services or your help. Um, but if you have like a level of humility to you, in the sense that like you know that you're not the best at, all of this, and you can just kind of like, trust Bruce. I guarantee he won't lead you wrong, that he won't steer you wrong. And you'll absolutely see positive growth and direction in following. Like I said, it's got to be the simplest steps that I've ever seen, because I'm not real good with a lot of that stuff, and it definitely make you feel empowered. But yeah, no, I mean, like I said, even what you charge, dude, is ridiculously low compared to other companies. So it's kind of a no-brainer. I don't really know how else to answer that.
Yeah. Yeah, that's kind of the idea is I want it to be a no-brainer for guys to actually get
I
results.
don't know this. So this is on that video I was saying, but I don't know if you remember this, but like a couple years ago, um, I reached out to you, and I have a background in sales, so I have like over 20 years in sales. And what sold me on you is you wouldn't sell me anything in the beginning. You were like, "No, man, it sounds like like you're good where you're at," and I was like really thrown off by that. And yeah, it kind of like threw me for a loop. And then so like I'd followed up with you like a little later on, and same freaking I was like, surely he planted a seed and he's gonna get me on the next one. Because I mean, dude, I see a salesperson coming a mile away, and the next one, nothing. You would not sell me anything. You didn't try, and you were just like, well, cool, man. I'm glad, And I was like, this is nuts. And so when I saw you had this program, dude, I mean, I called you immediately. It's been what I'm looking for. And I mean, I can't think of a, smarter, more trustworthy person, to help. So,
Thank you, man. Well, that's high
yeah,
praise. Man, that was
thank you.
thanks. How many you said that was like a couple years ago?
Yeah, that's what I was trying to tell you. I was like, I've known him for a couple years, like, no, I already trusted you, because of that. I mean, I just right off the bat, like I've even had people, try to trick me into the whole, like, I'm not a salesperson. I'm like, that's a salesperson. But like you and I was like even trying to mess with you, and I was like, so like what do you, and you're like, it doesn't sound like anything I have to offer really like is the right fit for you. You said, I do have this program, it's this a month, you said, but if I were you, I'd jump on the free thing. And that's what I do, like, because I try to be truthful and organic with it, the same way. And so I
Yeah.
saw a lot of that in you that I do in me or whatever, and I really value that. So, and it's rare, it's very rare.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just not a pushy sales guy, really. I'm like, look, if you don't want it, it's all good. I'd rather
I
just
mean,
work with
yeah,
people who are,
if you're a numbers person, then have at it, but numbers don't last. You know what I'm saying? The relationships and the growth does, or lack thereof.
yeah, exactly, man. Well, dude, I'm excited for the future. I mean, we're just getting started.
Absolutely.
It's only up from here. And we'll get on another call, you know, probably later this week. Just let me know, just shoot me a text after this call and we can jump on another one. I can help you with that website.
Sounds good, man. I really appreciate you.
Awesome, dude. Well, thanks for doing this and we'll talk soon.
Same. Thank you, Bruce.
Hey, man.